Hey guys, it's Ximena. So today I just wanted to kind of talk to you guys, a little brief video all about like 2021, talking a little bit about like some updates on my channel, and also just like talking about like my resolutions and things I'm gonna try to do in 2021. This video was like is not planned out at all. I'm just kind of gonna start talking about a bunch of things, so it should be a pretty short one. So I just hope you stick around and just listen to me talk, maybe like clean your room or do something, and just watch this video because I think it's gonna be very helpful and just maybe can like motivate you to have a good year as well. Yes, I do have my new wall collage in the back. We still are not done. We need to do like basically everything around it. We still have like half the prints left. The first thing is I just want to talk a little about like my updates. I feel like my videos haven't been the best that they can be these past few weeks. It's been a little bit hard. I know a lot of you guys struggle with this too, just like your channel not doing well and things like that, and I'm super grateful for all the views and subscribers I do get. It's not really about the numbers, it's just like even me sometimes feeling a little discouraged and not feeling motivated to create videos sometimes. But then I like to remind myself like why I wanted to do this and why I love it so much. There's always so much more you can do in your videos. Like when you're editing, there's always something better you can add, and I just think in 2021 I really just want to like up my video content and editing a whole bunch more. Obviously this video you can't really tell like me trying to put more effort because it's just like a sit down video and there's not much I can do, but especially like in my vlogs and stuff, I really want to just improve better and really put out the best content possible for you guys. I'm really gonna try to not procrastinate as much this year, because the truth is like I do have time to edit like I can. Sometimes it's just like hard, you know, like especially if you don't have the motivation for things like that. And then especially like since I recently started like my shop, I feel like that's taking up a big chunk of my time as well, and it just like excites me so much that sometimes I'd rather like work on my shop than YouTube. But I know both things are still things I'm very passionate about and I love deeply. Don't get me wrong, I still love making videos and I still love posting on YouTube and things like that, but something that also comes with the loss of motivation is like not having good video ideas. I mean, there's a lot of videos I can do, but not any of them I'm like passionate about or things that I really want to do. I just want to put things out that you guys will watch and that are unique. Sorry, I'm pulling out my iPad because I think I had some things that I wanted to talk about, but I do have some very exciting things planned for 2021. Originally I was gonna have a different video up for today, but I realized I couldn't edit it in time, and I wanted to, it's a challenge video, so I wanted to do it for a little bit longer, so that's gonna be out next week. But one thing that would really help me out is if you comment down like video ideas, things you want to see from me. I got like requested a lot to make like Procreate type videos, but whenever I said I was gonna make, there wasn't that much feedback on it, so I wasn't sure if that's something you guys wanted to see anymore. So if you do want to see like Procreate videos or any videos specifically, please let me know. I do plan on making like how I manage and run like my small business and my graphic designs and all that stuff, so that should be coming out later this month. Yeah, I definitely do have a lot of goals for this month, so share my channel with people if you really love it. That would help out a lot. Shop wise, I'm planning a super big launch later in January, so make sure to stay tuned for that as well. I feel like I already have a lot of good habits implemented into my life, I guess you could say, but there are also things that I do need to work on. So now I'm going to talk a little bit about like my goals and like my resolutions for the year, things like that. Made a video like this last year, please don't go watch it. I was looking back on old videos, and I remember when I published those videos, I was like, in a few years I'm not going to private any of my videos. I think they're like good quality, I won't need to private them. Now looking back, I think I might have to private some, so go watch them before they disappear. Yeah, I'm gonna talk a little about like my goals and my resolutions and things like that. I don't really want to call them resolutions, I guess just goals and things that I want to accomplish. So one of them is I really want to get back into reading. When I was like in elementary school, I was a huge reader. I read books like every week and I love reading, and then I went to 7th grade and our teacher just like never took us to the library, so I didn't have the opportunity to read as many books as I would like. And I still love reading, but I just can't find any good books. If you relate, comment down below, because I cannot find any good books that will interest me. Like I think I found a couple books that interest me, so I'm gonna start reading those. I want to try to read at least one book each month. I also just want to limit my phone usage. I think that's one of the biggest problems. Like I say I don't have time for things like that, but in reality I honestly have a lot of time. I really just want to limit my screen time, so that's definitely one of my biggest things. Another thing I really want to work on is reading my Bible every day. So I would say I'm pretty good at doing this. Sometimes I skip a few days, but I also really just want to like study it and really not just like read it, but also live it out and be a light to other people. Like I said, not just read it, but actually do it and take action on what I read. I have a few other goals, but I don't really like want to share them. I think they're just more for like personal growth. I really do want to try to reach, I don't know if this is like a big far-fetched goal, but I really want to try to reach like 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I feel like it's really big, but I think I can do it if I really just try to put more effort and better editing and just, yeah, a lot more effort into my videos, more than I already do. So be on the lookout for much better videos hopefully coming soon. I also want to do like more collabs, so if you are a YouTuber with over 1,000 subscribers, comment down below or email me in the description if you're interested in collabing. And then another one is I just really want to eat cleaner. I know a lot of people have like, go work out, drink a lot of water, eat healthy, but I just really want to like eat cleaner. I feel, well, especially these past few weeks, like in winter break, I've just like gone all out. Like I don't even care. But I think just going back to school, try to go back to my routine of like eating a little bit better. And a lot of you know that I go to the gym and I work out like a few times a week, and I'm also starting volleyball again. So I just really want to push myself physically. I think that's something that has really helped like my mental health and just a huge part of my life now. I love going to the gym. And also like water. I have this huge half-gallon water. By the way, this is a huge hint on what my next week's video is gonna be. I try to drink half a gallon almost every day, because a fun fact about me is that I don't like soda. Like I don't like anything carbonated, so I guess it comes easy for me to drink water rather than like sodas and things like that. But yeah, I just really want to feel better about myself and just like starting my mornings right. I just really want to start creating the habit of having a good like refreshed ready morning, because I feel like when I do that I have such a good day. But yeah, those are basically all my resolutions that I'm gonna be like sharing with you guys. By the way, I have this super amazing planner from Heartwork, from Creating with Lucy. It's a digital planner. It is the best digital planner you will ever need, so if you're into digital planning, highly recommend her. That's all I really just wanted to talk about, just like a little rant. I feel like I really needed to talk to you guys, and if you stay to the end, I literally love you so much. Not a lot of people stay to the end of these types of videos, so if you did, comment water or like a water emoji, something like that, just to confuse the people that didn't stay to the end. Just stay updated on my community tab, especially on my Instagram. That's where you'll get the biggest updates, Ximena design. But I'll also update you guys on my community tab if you don't have Instagram. So, and also check out my shop where I sell hoodies, snow pads, stickers, Procreate brushes, and so much more coming soon this month. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.